Welcome to Wondershare Filmora 60 seconds, no more in a short time. This video will bring you tips for going viral on TikTok through the analytics page. The TikTok's analytics page gets further divided into 3 sections. Overview section. This section gives information about the views related to the videos, followers, and profile views. Video views provide details for the last 7, 28, 60 days about the number of times any video has been watched. Please pay attention to the day that you received the most views and consider it as the best time to post. The followers area informs you who have joined recently and the total number of followers of your account. Here you can find which videos help you gain more followers and keep producing this kind of videos that can help you get more followers. Profile views. The selected date range gives you a brief idea about the number of profile views done in that duration. Plus, you will get to know about overall comments, shares, or likes in that period. This section is something that you can show to the brands. Followers section. To make this section work, you must have at least 100 followers. Then, it will show you viewers' demographic-related information such as timings, when users remain least most active, followers from top 5 countries, growth trend, full videos, top sounds listened to, etc. It will help you understand what hacks you are doing well, analyze your audience, find out what they prefer. You can keep producing those contents to gain more views according to that information. Follower activity shows what time of day your followers are most active, and you should upload a video during that time. Content section. This area gives any particular post video content regarding comments, shares, or likes. Also, you will get to know about traffic source, average viewers, user location. It is to note that such information remains available for 7 days only. Other tips. Check out your individual video analytics. Share is a huge indicator for the TikTok algorithm. Find out the most shared video type and make more similar content. Total playtime is an important indicator for brand deals. The brand will take into consideration when they pick the account for promotion. Average watch time. If the average watch time is longer than the total video length, it means the audience is looping your videos. So following the analytics data, it becomes beneficial to analyze the actual reach of your content to the target audience. It gives you an idea of which area needs improvement, thus you can update the content accordingly. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.